got the John Deere. It's going to be entered into the contest, driven by Charlie Birch. And Charlie, what can you tell us about your John Deerest?
Well, it's original and it's been tuned up. It's ready to go. I don't think I have a high-speed cam put in it, but it's ready for race day.
Anything about the muffler you want to share with us?
Oh yeah, it's been modified. We got the open pipe here. It gives it more performance and it allows the engine to speed up faster.
You got any special tactics you're going to use on race day, Charlie?
I just get the hammer to the floor and make her go.
Here we are with the Husqvarna, driven by racer Seth Pfister. And he's been putting some time and precious energy into this baby. What can you tell us about the Husqvarna, Seth?
Well, not much, except it was donated to us by the Layman's. We did a lot of work to the fuel pump and had to change the different electrical features of it, and I do a lot of cleaning to the carburetor, good old buddy. China off-brand, but hey, we're good. 13 horsepower Kohler, and yeah.
And how do you feel about race day coming up? You got any special tactics?
Oh, I may only have 13 horsepower, but I'll beat them in speed.
Okay. Go get him, buddy. Here we are live on site in the shop with Winston Mosier. He's been working on the Ranch King, which, believe me, has needed a lot of work. Winston, what can you tell us about the Ranch King?
Well, we've done some pulley work because there were some pulleys damaged. I'm not going to have you, the cameraman, get underneath there and see, but basically we put a few new pulleys on, bought a new pulley for it, and took the deck off, and it was donated to us by Ryan Birch, so big shout out to him. And it's got 15 horse on it. It runs, 17.5 horse on it. It's got some power, but I don't know about speed. But put the comfy chair on it with some help with Charlie.
It's a nice luxury.
So yeah, we'll see what we can do.
You got any tactics you're gonna pull out there on the race field tomorrow?
Well, I'm just gonna pray it runs and pray the pulleys don't come off, because I know I've had some problems with that. But yeah, we'll see what happens.
Go get him, Tiger.
24 hours later.
Here we are, time trials, a couple days before the race. Here in the pole positions is Seth Pfister. Not bad, not bad. We'll see how the John Deere compares to that. I'm putting my money on John Deerest. And then I'm not having too much hope in that. Finally, on time trial day, we got Winston Mosier here at the Ranch King. He's gonna fire this beast up. Here he goes. Well, Winston, sounds like you're gonna have to do some tune-ups tonight. Get that beast going. He might not even be in the race. Small gas engines class, Kingdom Academy 2019, and we got 1, 2, 3 mowers we're going to be racing and we've been working on. First of all, we got the orange Husqvarna. We're going to be selling it at the auction this year once we put the deck back on. And we got Seth Pfister, the driver. Next to it, we got the John Deere. We got this baby for free, but we got it running good, and it runs like a champ. Nothing runs like a deer. Charlie Birch is driving this beast. And then down here, we got the, oh my goodness, Ranch King, Troyville. I'm not sure about this piece of junk. At least it has a nice seat. But we got Winston Mosier driving the heap of junk down here. And we're going to get this race going. What these gentlemen are going to do after I tell them to start their engines, they're going to go way down yonder around that pile, brush pile. Gentlemen, start your engines. On your mark, get set, go! Well, the piece of junk's having some problems. Oh boy. He'll probably get lapped. Good thing they're only doing one lap. gonna kind of walk along with and see it looks like it's gonna be, oh great, this thing died. Poor Winston. It's looking like it's gonna be a pretty tight race there between, he's checking something out there, between the John Deere and the Husqvarna. But I'd say the John Deere's got it. I think I predicted things just right. See if he adjusted that right. Get this thing started. Oh, he's about got it. There it goes. There it goes. Not sure what. Oh, whoa. What in the world did he do? So, somehow he adjusted something and that thing's doing like 20 miles an hour. Now we got the, man, he's lapping the, this is incredible. This is incredible. Look at him, he's going past the Husqvarna. Into second place. Husqvarna's upset. He's swerving. There he goes past the Deere. Incredible. And he is, man. I've never seen a mower that's so junky and so incredible at the same time. The Ranch King is the king.